Today, I'm on Leighton Drive, nestled within the popular village of Creech St Michael. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this generously proportioned, detached family home. Positioned on a desirable plot and conveniently located within close proximity to the M5 motorway. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation your own property, then please do get in touch.